Hey, how's it going guys? Stefan is here, welcome back for another video. In today's video I have a very affordable budget microphone which I'm very excited to try and to show you. So we'll unbox it, we'll see what comes in the box, also we'll do a couple of tests. As always, in the end I'm gonna give you my opinion about the microphone. As that being said, let's start with the video now. Alright, so let's see what comes in the box. The box is pretty standard, as you can see. So the first thing is the USB cable. That's pretty good. Standard cable, as you can see. Also, we have the user manual with interesting information how to set up the microphone. Leave it on the side. Also, we have a wind phone, but actually we have two sets. This is a bonus, in my opinion. Also, we have the stand that comes with, which is pretty interesting. Oh, we have a bonus, we have a adapter that you can use with your Android phone. So this is a bonus for you. And the stand is pretty standard, pretty normal as well. But this is not a bad thing. This is a very affordable microphone. And last but not least, we have the start of the show, we have the microphone, and I'm very excited to try this microphone due to the price. First impressions, not bad. Also, we have all the functions on the top, so not bad at all. We have the mute button, headphone jack, echo mode, and the volume as well. So now let's start for the second part for the test. Alright, so now let's start with the test. So this is the microphone you're listening right now. The microphone is on 50% volume. I can hear myself. The microphone also has a microphone input, so you can monitor yourself. Again, this is a very good plus. The price is, like I mentioned, 23-25 British pounds, and we have a couple of interesting features with this microphone. So we have a headphone jack, we have a volume, we have an echo mode, we have a mute button. So far so good. Checking the volume on my Mac looks okay. So 50% is pretty normal. What I'm gonna do right now is to try the mute button. I always like to try the mute button, so I'm gonna press it right now. Press the mute button, so I am back. Probably you're hearing the clicking sound, which again, it's not a big deal, but it's kind of annoying sometimes when you press the mute button. Also, we have a echo mode, which I'll test in a minute. I can hear myself, but actually I feel the sound pretty thin. This is not very ideal in my opinion, but I'll check all the footage, everything later today. Well, I'm gonna give you my opinion in the end about this microphone, what I'm thinking. But yeah, so far so good. We have new cool features. What I'm gonna do right now is just to put the microphone closer to myself, to my mouth, so I speak closely right now, so you can have a better idea if the microphone is closer. Again, I hear teeny sound, which is not ideal, but yeah, in the end, I'm gonna give you my opinion. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm going to spin the microphone. So I'm spinning the microphone now. So probably you don't hear me at all. Maybe you will. Now this is the back of the microphone. I'm coming back now to the front. So again, you have to speak front of the microphone. Let me go back. I'm back now. So let me go to the front again. Okay, so this is the front of the microphone. Not bad actually. So the other thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna crank the volume up to 80% now. Okay, so this is 80%, so you can have a better idea how is the sound quality. Also, I'm gonna knock on the keyboard just to have idea. I'm gonna knock on the table just to have idea how is the sound. But yeah, I feel like the sound is not very good. But I'm gonna give you my opinion in the end. So far, so good. Noise, okay. I can hear some background noise as well. Also, let me try from distance. So now the microphone is like a meter from myself, so you can have idea how is the microphone, the sound. Not bad actually. Let's try now the full max, 100%. So the microphone is on 100%. The microphone is very close to my mouth, so you can have idea. I think 80% is the best spot for this microphone. Let's try the eco mode or echo mode. So now the echo mode is off, but I'm gonna um, crank a little bit. I'm gonna choke. So I'm switching on the echo mode. Echo mode. So you can have idea now. Okay, so I can hear myself. It's kind of echoey. Echo mode. No, I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below what is used for this echo mode if you do any videos or any different videos. But I don't know. I think it's fun, but I don't know. So echo mode. Let's try echo mode. 75%, 80%. This is 100% echo mode. I feel like I'm in a like a big massive room. So all right. I don't know. That's what was a not good impressions. Okay, so let me switch this off. Okay, so I don't know. Echo mode? Nah, I don't think it's ideal, but maybe you can finally use if you do like a TikTok or something. But interesting now when I switch the echo mode on, now I have the feeling why the microphone sounds tinny. I think even the echo mode is off now, the volume is down. I still can hear a little bit of the echo. So I think this is the reason. So I'm gonna switch a little bit the echo mode, echo mode, echo mode, echo mode. See, so basically the echo mode when it's off is not completely off. So that's why I hear this tinny sound. But other than that, not bad actually for 25 pounds. Also, the microphone comes with a adapter, which is helpful. So you can use this microphone with an Android smartphone as well. This is very helpful. Again, I don't know why I'm coming back to TikToks, but many TikTokers using microphones. Pretty easy. Just plug the microphone to your smartphone, and you're ready to do your TikToks and stuff. So not bad. This adapter is good, in my opinion. But yeah, let me know what do you think. The sound. I'm gonna check all the footage, everything, the sound, everything now, and I'm gonna come back with a conclusion about this microphone, what I'm thinking, and so on. So I'll be back in a second. Okay, so this was interesting test, should I say? All right. I hope I'm not gonna be very harsh with this microphone, but it is what it is. So the sound is not good. So actually, the sound is very tiny. Again, when you use the echo mode, should be switched off. So now the echo mode is off, but I can hear the echo mode. So I'm gonna try again the echo mode. So this is the echo mode. The echo mode is off, and I still can hear this echo sound. It's tinny. It's not good. So my opinion is this microphone is good, but it's not good for professional. So if you try to make like videos and proper videos for YouTube, for I don't know, podcasts and so on, don't buy this microphone. You can use this microphone just for general normal videos. Let's say even for TikTok, if you buy a microphone, again the sound needs to be clear, loud, and punchier, which this is not. So afraid. Sorry to say, but yeah, it's not good. Don't buy this microphone. Actually, I checked on YouTube. Um, Problems sound very harsh, but it is what it is. I don't like it. This is my personal opinion. The sound is not good. It's bad actually. there's no reviews on YouTube for this microphone for some reason. I don't know if this is the first review that I'm gonna upload. I hope I'm not very harsh and bad, but yeah, it is what it is. If the microphone is good, I'm gonna tell you immediately. I know the price is affordable, 25 British pounds, but in the end, I don't mind to spend like another 10 pounds or 15 pounds, and I'm gonna buy something that is much, much better sounding, in my opinion. I know we have a ton of features. We have headphone jack, volume, mute, and so on. But the more important is the sound, because I don't mind to have none of these features, but to have a proper sound. I review few microphones in my channel. I'm not a sound professional, engineering, how you say, people who knows about the sound. But overall, when I test a couple of microphones, I know if it's good, if it's not good, and I can say this microphone, the sound is not good. So yeah, but for it's not bad if you use it just for normal videos. Let's say if you want to record something, I don't know, at home, or I don't know. But other than that, yeah, that's all. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope I don't crush a lot about this company. But end of the day, this is my opinion. If you not agree with me, I completely understand. But yeah, it's not good. Yeah, I like to review microphones. I enjoy review microphones, and this is the reason that I like to do that, because the sound. So yeah, some people probably they're not happy to review microphones, but I don't know. Okay, so let's call it now. Let me know what you think about this microphone. In my opinion, is not good, so don't buy it. In the end, it's not a bad product. If they improve the sound, I'm happy to test it. I'm happy to buy it, because I bought this with my personal money. This is not being sent. Companies sending products time to time. But yeah, this is not being. Even if it's being sent it to test it, again, I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna give you my opinion. Okay, guys. So this is Stefan. I hope you enjoyed this video. Smash the like button. Subscribe if it's your first time here. And don't forget to like the video, and I'll see you in the next time. See ya. I'm gonna cut this part now.